Anyway, I lost the door to the electrical connection, so I tried to find one to buy to replace it with, and I couldn't. I was going to build one, and then I found that the top of a paint can just fits in there real nice. I put a little knob on it so it'll be easy to bring in and out, and I just got a spring that clips up in here. It's hard to do one-handed to hold it. Anyway, so let me talk about the cantilever. You know, I was worried that riding down the highway, need to be strong back here, so I reinforced the bottom of the bed with these steel brackets, the same steel brackets that used to be part of the pulley system to raise the camper up and down. And those are the original poles, but I had to shorten them, and I screwed them in the bottom there so that they wouldn't pop out while we were driving. Okay, so now I think I'll show you what happens, how we raise it up on the next video.